During the last few years, we've seen a lot of changes within customer services about how the public are demanding access to our services, especially over the last 18 months, where COVID really showed us that we had to be adaptable to change. Customers are contacting us through various access channels now, much more so than they were previously. We had a lot of people coming into the council. Now it's mainly over the phone and web chats. But luckily, here in customer services, we have a lot of experience dealing with change, especially during the COVID crisis, where we saw the entire council have to change its dynamics. Especially environmental health. One day they were doing environmental health officers, the next they were actually out delivering food parcels, and they were working with us to make sure the most vulnerable in our community were having their prescriptions delivered. We also were contacting people for the NHS to booking their vaccine. We've been doing that right up until the last few months, but most people have got their second jabs. So it's a real change for people who work in customer services and throughout the council. Over the next few months, we've got the new customer service strategy coming in, which will also help us give value for money for our customers and improve the journey they have. We're trying to update our telephone system so they have less options to pick from, where they come through more quickly to an advisor to speak to them, so that they can help them find the correct person if it's not one of us that can help. We have quite a variety of different inquiries from the general public. Some aren't to do with the council itself, but we try and do our best to signpost them where they need to go. Now, with the new Digital by Design, a lot more options for our customers on the website to complete online forms and to contact us through web chats, which are proving very popular at the moment. Working in customer services, you get a great sense of pride and a job satisfaction when you're helping the most vulnerable customers in our community, especially during COVID, where there was a great sense of fear and chaos that was throughout the country. For people to be able to reach out and speak to someone in customer services and feel that reassurance that they were going to be taken care of, especially the most vulnerable and elderly in our community, who would contact us regarding prescriptions with real fear. And there was one particular occasion where, while I was on the phone discussing the prescription with an elderly lady, having put through the order through to our food parcel delivery service, they arrived. I was talking to her for so long, they actually knocked on her door. One of the guys from Environmental Health were actually delivering at the same time, and they couldn't believe that we'd been that quick, and that gave us a real sense of pride at working for the council.